Hello, John here again. Got another unboxing. Well, I've cheated a little bit, I've already unboxed it. But it's for, as you can see, the VIC-20. It's all set up. And what's come through the door today, something I've been waiting for a while. It's a VIC Penultimate Cartridge for the VIC-20, made by Timer Software. This has got loads of things on it, and I've seen a couple of videos, and that's why I wanted it. And what we're going to do is going to plug it in and switch it on and see what we can get out of it, and see if I can play any of the games. So I'm going to plug it in. There we go. Switch her on. We have power. There you go. So this is the main menu of the cartridge. So we have got, looks like, games at the top. So Avenger, Amazing Centipede, Chopper Lift, Defender, Donkey Kong, and then at the bottom looks like we've got some memory configurations. So F1 is 0K, F3 is 32, F5 is 35, F6 24, F4 is 8, F2 is 3. Oh, even got SD to IEC menu. Oh. Well, unfortunately I haven't got one of those on the VIC. So it's setting the RAM. Alright. So it must be in SD to IEC mode. So, doesn't help me. Oh, working too much on PCs. Insert with the dollar. Right. So we'll put it back. F8 load star. Keys or joystick. A advanced. D drive 8. Well, we haven't got any drives, eh? So what's A? Oh, so this is doing all the different memory configurations. Well, let's do 8. Options. 8. Or is it F8? No, it can't be. Oh, it's selected. F1 to exit to basic. Okay. Never seen a VIC with 28K in it. Hey! Right, let's see what else we got. So, we've done advanced, we don't want to do drive. So, what's the other? Greater than, less than keys. Ah! Frogger, Galaxian. Oh no! Galaxian 2. Oh, Galaxians. And I bet F1 for options. I bet you need a joystick. Yeah. Yeah, need a joystick. Got one somewhere. See what else we got. Galaxians, Gorf, Jelly Monsters, Jupiter Lander, Lunar Leap, Monster Maze, Moon Patrol, Miss Pac-Man, Mutant Camels, Amiga Race, Pac-Man. Wow. Star Battle, Mission Impossible, Voodoo Castle. All these are the ones that I've got originals for. Super Expander. Really? So this is supposed to have had all sorts of different commands, like print. Was it that, or was it Commodore? Super Expander was up. Okay. Super Expander with Super Expander VIC 2 Basic 4. It's Basic 4.6. All right. But this is the same sort of basic that would be in a Commodore PET. Oh, Super Expander. What was in the Super Expander? Was it graphics? Let's try it. So, go to the end. Super Expander. Let's do 8. So 10. Graphic. 20. Draw 1, 200. Don't think that will work. Nah. Illegal quantity in line 20. Ooh, we've got graphic right. I wonder if it's the same as mine. My graphics. Let's have a look. 2. Insert 200. Nah. Right, okay, let's make the number smaller then. Comma. So 1, 1, 100, 100. Let's try again. Oh, legal quantity in line 20. We'll have to see what the commands are. We'll have to look it up. But I think the Super Expander had a load of graphics commands in it. And music commands, but I think that was supposed to be here. Oh yeah. I'm sure it was that. Or was it? Ah, there we go. So, yeah, so what you would do, to make sounds, you'd have to print. Oh, press the enter key by accident. And it was that. I'm not sure what the numbers were. Oh, that was just a guess. Do. There we go. Cool. So we could do a video series about all the draw commands and the circle commands. Because my graphics extension was based on this and Simon's Basic. But yeah, comes with a pretty comprehensive user guide. Wow. Super Expander, the VIC 20 Super Expander adds graphics and sound commands to the VIC 20 Basic. Full manual can be found here. Basic 4. Alright, Basic 4 has all the disk operating commands. So do you know my TDSOS? It's got all those, so it's got deload, header, rename, scratch. Now I ain't put the disk in. And VicKit 4.5 is the ROM image VicKit high speed cassette tools. Alright, start assembler. Oh. We'll have a bit of that. Right, VicKit. Right, let's do 3. Let's have maximum memory. So according to this, start assembler is that. Well. Not quite assembler, but it's the machine code monitor. So we should be able to disassemble to, hang on, if it's similar to mine, C200. No? Alright. Memory C to C200. Well, that's right. Disassemble C. No. So it doesn't like the disassemble. So is there a question? Is there a help? No. So, A 2000 LDA $. What? No. Okay. 2000 LDA $0 to the 0. Right, I'm going to have to read up on that. But yeah, this cost what? 80 quid? But if you get 1, 2, 3, 4 screens of games, so that's 40 games, plus you get some expander packs, plus you get the ST to IEC system involved in there as well. This is a bit of a bargain. I like this. So let's play for Jelly Monsters. And as usual, you're going to move them over and down. Right. Now, I'm not too sure what the commands are with this. Right. P, L, that and that. So P, L, that and that. Press P to start. Oh! Run, 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 run. There we go. Come on down. Oh! Too busy looking at the keyboard. Let's try Defender. See if Defender's the same as the one I remember. 7. Oh, yes it is. F1 for options. Oh no, what's the keys? Oh, I've just nuked everybody. So what's the keys? I'll have to put a joystick in and find out. Oh, where's a joystick? So my mate, Mark, Commodore Sales, sold me a Micro 6 joystick because the other ones have had it. Let's see if we can put this into here. There we go. F1 to start. Boy, here we go. Yeah. Oh no! Hey! Oh! Oh, I like this joystick, Mark. Love it. Oh! Boom! Got that one. Yay! Oh, right on top of me! Oh, it's a lot there. Come on. Come on. Ah! Last shit. Oh! Anyway. That is the Penultimate Cartridge version 5.0e. Might not be the latest version. Well worth the buy. If you've got a VIC-20 and you want to play cartridge games and have the functionality of being able to use SE to IEC, I would get me one of these. Unfortunately, I'm going to be playing a lot on this. You might not see me for a video for a while. Oh dear. So, I will see you on the next unboxing video. Take care. Bye.